Bycatch incidents in artisanal fisheries of Cameroon, West Africa. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Bycatch is a common threat to marine fauna such as mammals and reptiles. The bycatch assessment has been carried out along the Cameroon coastline to map artisanal fishing effort and quantify the impact of bycatch on sea turtles and marine mammals during 3 months from June to September 2011, and specific objectives include: to interview fishermen in various fishing villages or ports in Cameroon regarding fishing effort and catch, to estimate the fishing gears used in these fishing ports, to evaluate the impacts of bycatch on marine mammals and sea turtles. In total, 30 fishing ports were being planned, but 23 were covered with 932 files in total, 245 long forms and 685 short forms. In total, 4,121 boats, none motorized than motorized, and the common gears used are gillnet and surround seine. The results reveal that, yearly, around 1228 turtles with a back, green, hawksbill and olive, were caught and 13 leatherback, most not intentionally. But in the Sandje port, the intentional catch by local fishermen with around 400 individuals per year for international commercial uses is noted. These numbers are low according to certain data on sea turtle surveys along the Cameroon coast. About cetaceans and manatees, the following data are 97 and 292, respectively, for each group, but most manatees are caught intentionally for the bushmeat trade. The survey was limited in time and lacked baseline information on the issue, but in the future, it could be good to involve more permanent data collectors and scientific observers. These results must be feedback to official services for good monitoring of marine fauna and their ecosystem. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.